Hi, this is Mike again with Jordan Tech Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to look at Canvas, and we're going to look at grading scales. Long Beach Unified will default to their particularly chosen scales. I believe it's scaled grading. Um, Scaled grading is interesting. We'll talk about that in a second. But it will automatically be chosen if you don't choose it yourself. So let's go ahead and go in to a course. I know what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my sandbox just so I don't have to show kids names here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into settings. Okay, so this can be done in any course. Just click on the course, go to settings, and then come down here to grading scheme. And it says secondary percentage grading. So there are two that the district provides. One is the secondary percentage grading. That's what you're used to. It's the 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, that kind of thing. And so what you can do is you can view it, okay? And just remember the pluses and minuses don't matter. It doesn't show up. But that's the breakdown. Just your typical normal A to F, 50 to 100 grading scheme. Then there's also this one, secondary scale grading. And remember, if you don't pick which one you want, it will defer to secondary scale grading. But when I show it to you, you might be a little concerned. So this is the scale, and basically what it's trying to do is eliminate the chasm from 0 to 50 that an F populates. For example, the distance between B and A is 10 points, C and B is 10 points, D and C is 10 points, F and D is 10 points, but 0 to the baseline of F is 50. So a student, if they're getting 23, there's some question as to whether that's okay or not. And that's why in my classroom I just set my bottom grade at 50%. So you can't learn less than 50%. 50 is the floor. So however you want to do that. Now the other thing you can do is you can manage all your grading schemes and you can add one. Once you add it and select it, then that's the one that you will be using. You just go new grading scheme and then you can just change it accordingly and then save it. And then you'll be able to just pick this grading scheme if you want to manipulate it like that. Okay, so that's how you can manipulate the grading scheme to fit your your pedagogy. Just go to your classroom, go to settings, come all the way down here. You can either just choose one or you can manage them and create your own. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me.